باب من الإيمان أن يحب لأخيه ما يحب لنفسه. Chapter. To like for one's Muslim's brother what one likes for himself is a part of faith. حدثنا مسدد قال حدثنا يحيى عن شعبة عن قتادة عن أنس رضي الله عنه عن النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم وعن حسين المعلم قال حدثنا قتادة عن أنس عن النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم قال لا يؤمن أحدكم حتى يحب لأخيه ما يحب لنفسه. Narrated Anas. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, none of you will have faith till he wishes for his Muslim brother what he likes for himself. Shaykh Hafiz Muhammad Iqbal, may Allah protect him, has compiled the verification of this hadith. In various books on this subject, he found a total of 28 narrations from Anas bin Malik. The references for these hadiths are being documented in detail.
Thank you for visiting our YouTube page. To listen to the English translations of hadiths from Sahih Bukhari, where the sayings of all the narrators have been compiled along with their references, kindly subscribe to our channel.